What's up guys, Naveed here. Recently Samsung launched two basic models, A02s and A12. Among these two, A12 is higher variant with higher features. And today we are going to do unboxing for Galaxy A12. So let's go and start the video. On the top we have a quick guide and then we have a phone. In the bottom we have a basic earphones and Type-C cable with 15-watt fast charger. If we will talk about the display, it's coming with 6.5-inch display, 1516 by 720 resolution, Infinity V display. So in this budget price, we are getting very good display. Now we will talk about the processor. It's powered by octa-core 2.3 MediaTek Helio P35. Now if we will talk about the RAM, it's available in different variants. It's coming with a 3GB, 4GB and 6GB with 32GB of storage, 64GB of storage and 128GB storage. I have 4GB with 64GB variant which is expandable up to 1TB and it's dual SIM. So it's coming with 3 slots, 2 for the SIM and 1 for the memory card. So let's go and check the camera. On the back we have a quad camera setup with a square shape module. It's new design in Samsung for the back camera. Main camera we are getting 48 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front side selfie camera we have 8 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. The best thing about this phone, in Samsung in cheap price we are getting 5000 mAh battery which is supporting 15 watt. On the side in power button we are getting a side mounted fingerprint sensor. Plus we have a wide range of colors like black, red, white and blue. And price for this one is just AED 579 in $160. That's all for today friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.